So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to buy mutual funds on the BlackStar app. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more financial tips and tutorial videos. So once you open the BlackStar app, the next thing you want to do is fund your account. So click to open your portfolio. After opening the portfolio, you see the cash segment there. Click on cash, click on add cash, type in the amount you want to deposit, click continue, and then select your payment mode. From there you can top up your account. I have some amount in my account already, so I'll just follow up from there. So today we'll be using IC Liquidity Fund as an example of mutual fund that we are going to buy. So the next thing you want to do is go to the market section at the bottom left corner, then click on the search button at the top right and type ICLF. Type in ICLF, which represents IC Liquidity Fund. Click on it, and then here you see the mutual fund ICLF. Now you can see the performance of the stock over the past 1 month, which is it has done 0.85%. Over the past 6 months it has done 7%, and year to date, that is from January 1st to today, it has done 16.98%, which is far ahead of the current treasury bill rate in the country. So the next thing you want to do is click the buy sign at the bottom left corner. Then you select your portfolio. Click on select portfolio. I'll be using the Move It portfolio. Click on Move It, and then type in the amount you want to buy. So say you want to buy 100 cedis, all you need to do is type in 100, click on proceed. Okay, so before that, the conversion rate is still 1 cedi. The estimated share will be 47.8 shares. Transaction fee is 0. Market price is 2.09 cedis, and the order amount will be 99 cedis, 99 pesos. Click on proceed to buy, confirm the order, and just like that, you have placed an order for IC Liquidity Fund on the BlackStar app. Now, IC Liquidity Fund is one of the easiest funds to buy into and then sell, because when it comes to trading days like Monday to Fridays, you actually place an order for purchase and then it goes through almost immediately. So that is how it is done. That is the simple procedure for buying mutual fund on the BlackStar app. Now, if you feel like canceling, all you need to do is scroll to the right and come to my orders, and then you see all the orders you have placed. Now, to cancel, click on these 3 dots, click on cancel order, click on yes, and just like that, you have canceled your order. You receive a message from BlackStar showing that your IC Liquidity Fund order has been cancelled. So let's go through it once again. You go to the market, click on search button, type in ICLF, search for it, click on ICLF, click on buy, select the portfolio you want, type the amount, proceed to buy, confirm order, and just like that, your order has been placed. For more tutorial videos like this one, make sure you click that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.